Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model 3 cabin air filter. First, gather your essential tools: a new cabin air filter, a trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. It's also wise to have a flashlight for better visibility. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is completely powered off and the climate control system is off. This prevents any accidental activation during the process, ensuring your safety and ease of work. Now, let's access the filter. Begin by removing the passenger side floor mat to give yourself ample working space. Next, gently use your trim removal tool to detach the lower dash panel on the passenger side. There are two electrical connectors attached to this panel. Carefully unplug them before setting the panel aside. With the panel removed, you will clearly see the cabin air filter housing, which is secured by one 10mm bolt. With the housing exposed, use your 10mm socket wrench to unscrew the single bolt holding the cover. Carefully remove this cover. You will then see the two old cabin air filters stacked inside. Gently pull them out, paying close attention to their orientation, especially the direction of the airflow arrows. Now, take your two new filters and slide them into place, making sure the airflow arrows on each filter point towards the front of the vehicle for proper function. Almost done. Carefully place the filter housing cover back into position and secure it tightly with the 10mm bolt. Next, retrieve the lower dash panel and reconnect the two electrical connectors you unplugged earlier. Gently push the dash panel back into place until it clicks securely. Finally, replace the passenger side floor mat. Turn on your Tesla and test the climate control system to ensure everything is working perfectly and you have fresh, clean air.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.